Allah expects you to recite the Quran. When you recite the Quran, shaitan will come and try to put you to sleep. When you recite the Quran, you will remember the other 20 things you had to do and finish it off quickly. It is going to happen every single time. And so every single time, seek Allah's refuge from the cursed shaitan. Say, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem before you start reciting the Quran, a commandment of Allah Azza wa Jal, because this is a really important part of your relationship with the Quran. The one thing shaitan wants is a distance between you and Allah. Quran will bring you close to Allah. He hates that, so he wants to corrupt your experience with the Quran.